welcome back to my channel, Anne here. And if you are a new viewer on my channel, hello girl and welcome to my channel. If you are into beauty videos, please do consider subscribing to my channel because I do upload beauty videos every single week. So for today guys, I am back with another makeup tutorial for you guys, and today I am going to show you guys how I created this very easy and simple natural looking makeup look. So this is somewhat similar to what I posted last week, but I added like a very simple eye look on this makeup tutorial so that if ever you guys are going to the office or if you just wanted to look more glamorous on a daily basis, you can definitely wear this makeup look during daytime. So if you guys wanted to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. that is it for the makeup tutorial for this week, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to become part of my beloved family. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know that I love you so much. Don't forget what I always say to you guys. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make your dreams possible. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! So for today, guys, I am back with another product review for you guys, and today we are actually going to review a very interesting product because I've heard that some of the actresses here in the Philippines are also using this product.